Welcome to SUJOK Onnnuri Medicine Pakistan by Dr. محمد Rizwan Kothari. SUJOK is a combination of two words. In Korean, su means hands. SUJOK is a combination of two words. In Korean, jok means feet. Thus, SUJOK actually means treating on hands and feet. SUJOK therapy is a physical and metaphysical, natural therapy of healing without medicine. It is an instant and effective healing therapy without medicine and is absolutely safe and does not have any side effects.
SUJOK therapy Pakistan can treat acute and chronic condition, any back pain, sciatica nerve pain, neck pain, cervical, knee pain, any arthritis, fibromyalgia. Dr. محمد Rizwan Kothari can treat. Also treat sleep disorder, digestive disorder, headaches for any reason, women's health, men and women both, infertility problems. Using various natural healing methods like acupuncture, acupressure, color therapy, magnet therapy, seeds therapy, moxa, herbs therapy, twist therapy, etc. etc. We are providing successfully treatments to our patients. We are also home service facility provider. Call to discuss in more details. Please contact us +92 334 368 3683. WhatsApp and MO number +92 311 08 20870. Enjoy and stay connected with us. Visit our websites www.sujokpakistan.com, www.sujok.par. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Circle us on G+, Google. Follow us on Twitter. Join us on LinkedIn. Like us on Facebook page. Smile. Thanks for watching this video. Regards, Dr. محمد Rizwan Kothari.